Today we're going to show you how to wear the Blackbird wing, which is pretty special. It's got, when you take it out of the package, you're going to find, when you open it up, it's got a couple sets of D-rings on it. It's going to be tied to this top D-ring when you get it out of the package. But there are another set of D-rings that are painted black, hidden down here. So if you want to wear it as over the shoulder, sort of like armor, you would just fold it. And you're going to end up putting your shoulders through it here, but you want to tie this off a little taut so that it fits right over the shoulders. If you want to wear it as a set of wings, just untie it here and retie it to the set of D-rings that are closer to the back. Alright, so we're going to show you how to put on the Blackbird wings. We're first going to show you how to wear it kind of like armor, a little more couture style. This is when it's tied to this top D-ring. You get it out of the package like this. I just kind of loosened it a little bit. So you can fold it and manipulate it how you want to, and then just tie off this elastic to where it fits comfortably under the shoulder. And you can tuck the elastic or cut it if you know you don't want to wear it like wings. Okay, so I just untied this piece of elastic from the top D-ring, and I'm going to tie it to this black D-ring down here. And now we're ready to put it on our model to wear like wings. And you can give these wings their own character. You can wear them straight up like this. You can bend them so they come back and wear flat back. Or if you want to, with the felt and wire, you can kind of give them their own character. Whatever is clever. And that's our Blackbird wing. So we hope you enjoy it and find which character fits your personality best. And yeah, have fun getting dressed up.